Designing and building a home is never an easy task. It's an adventure, and it takes everybody working together to really come out with the perfect end result. So from the designers to the drafters, the homeowner included, this was a labor of love. Hi, my name is Greg Huitrago Jr. I serve as the Creative Director for Hammer Design Build Remodel. We serve homeowners in the DC metro region. I'd like to take a few moments to walk you through a very special project for a homeowner of ours that trusted us with their DC row home. This DC row home is located in the 8th Street corridor of Northeast. And a 1910 row home, it needs a lot of love and care. And so our homeowners, they came to us with a very specific list of requirements. Not only did the home need to be fully gutted, a previous developer had fallen, let's say, a little bit short in bringing the home up to code. And so taking this abandoned property took a lot of time and effort, not only to come up with a design that was functional, but something that brought the aesthetic values of the homeowner to life. The homeowner wanted to be able to bring in natural light, elements from their old farmhouse home, things like a wooden fireplace and mixing modern metals and matte materials with natural wood. Not an easy task, but something that we were up to doing and had a lot of fun creatively coming up with different features and really custom elements that we hadn't done anywhere else. We took this 1910 row home and turned it into a bespoke modern sanctuary. Hidden behind the original facade of the home, we completely gutted the house, only leaving the front stone facade and creating a new structure that extended and occupied as much of the property as possible. If you're familiar with renovating here in the district, every inch matters, and so we tried to take advantage of it all. But that wasn't enough space, so we added a third story to be able to create a beautiful primary suite, a wonderful loft and workout area, as well as another guest bedroom. At the end of this renovation, we turned this row home into a beautiful 4,000 plus square foot property that includes a 3-story atrium, 5 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom, and plenty of additional family and fun space, whether you're working at home or entertaining. When you walk through the foyer of the home, entering through the 42-inch custom mahogany solid wood door, you'll see that your view is very intentionally hidden by these early 18th century French doors that we had completely restored and retrofitted so that we could install them into the property. As you open those French doors, you're greeted by a wonderful and unexpected bathing of natural light. That's coming from a 3-story atrium with skylights all the way at the 3rd-story roof that extend all the way down to the kitchen island on the 1st floor. An open concept kitchen was a must for this homeowner, but we wanted to preserve the view all the way to the back of the house, so floor-to-ceiling doors with full lights capture all of the natural light from the end of the row home. The open concept kitchen is built with plain and fancy custom cabinets with a custom matte black finish veneer that allowed for a touch of modern in the middle of all of these antique finishes. We took the island and we went with a rift cut natural white oak on a horizontal grain that really captured that natural essence that the homeowner wanted to bring into the house. It is truly a mix of modern and rustic outdoor at its finest. If you look over the range, that mirrored finish hood is nothing off the shelf. That was a custom designed hood that we created with the homeowner, angle by angle and inch by inch, to be able to get a special art piece on the wall that would not only help them when they're cooking their delicious meals, to keep the room smelling great and keep all of the fumes in control, but give them something to talk about every time their guests came over. As we go to the back of the family room, you'll see something that's not too common anymore. Most of our homeowners are asking us to remove the fireplaces to take over those extra square footage. Here, the homeowner, reminiscing about their previous property out on some farmland, wanted to make sure that they could enjoy a natural wood-burning fire. So we did just that. And we were able to balance this very large fireplace. And to make sure it had a touch of modern, we clad the fireplace in blackened steel from floor to ceiling, leaving its natural patina and finish for the homeowners to be able to have another spectacle as they're enjoying the warmth of a beautiful fire. Natural light in a DC row home is not easy, and if you look up, you'll see that beautiful atrium, 3 stories above your head with 8 skylights with movable automated shades. But the sun doesn't stay on all day long, and so to be able to create accent lighting and task lighting for the kitchen and for the 3 hallways going up to the top level, we used Alcon lighting to create a completely custom and unique to this project lighting. The lighting wraps around the atrium on 3 sides and provides wash lighting that goes up the atrium to help that homeowner when they need a midnight snack and they got to walk downstairs, and down lighting that provides plenty of lighting for when they're cooking and entertaining around the island and in their kitchen. If you look to the back of the atrium, you'll see a almost floor to ceiling wood wall. That slatted wall serves 2 purposes. Not only is it beautiful, but it actually allows light to bathe the hallway as you're going upstairs, while still providing some seclusion and privacy for the guest bedrooms on each level. The primary bathroom is very large with heated tile floors, a barrier-free walk-in shower, and yes, even a soaking tub in the shower. That window over the tub looks down into the island space and captures light coming down from the atrium above. The vanities in the primary bath are custom vanities made from concrete. They were designed and fabricated with a vendor in Europe and placed on custom iron pedestals that were fabricated here on site, specifically for these very, very heavy vanities. That's a 10-foot island with soapstone countertops and a custom built-in soapstone sink. It's beautiful and very large, enough to be able to entertain 10 guests very comfortably, serving appetizers or dinner. The kitchen also, you can't see it, but there's a large 48-inch fridge hidden behind those cabinets. A large 48-inch Wolf range gives you everything that you need for cooking. And we included an oven, a steam oven, and a convection microwave. The flooring throughout the home has white oak, wide plank flooring that brings that beautiful natural appearance through every level. We also use vendors like Porcelanosa for the tile, where in the bathroom we use large 2x2 large format tiles, and then for the kitchen backsplash we actually used Porcelanosa's X-Like product, a large 4x8 sheet of porcelain tile, almost half an inch thick. While preserving the front facade of the home, we repainted it to match the color scheme of the homeowner. And the 3rd story is completely clad in hardy lap siding in that beautiful black finish. To bring a little bit more of a unique modern flair to the front facade, that 3rd story, if you look carefully, is actually custom sheet metal siding installed vertically to bring a unique and custom look. Designing and building a home is never an easy task. It's an adventure, and it takes everybody working together to really come out with the perfect end result. So from the designers to the drafters, the homeowner included, this was a labor of love. We like to see our homeowners enjoy their space, but to take it a step further, we hosted a private event so our homeowners could sit back and relax to see a private chef cook and prepare a wonderful meal on their custom kitchen stove and using all of the wonderful amenities that they took the time to design. So to see the look on their face as their friends and family enjoyed all of these wonderful renovations, that was totally worth it.
I love the open design of the kitchen. I love the contrasting light wood and dark countertops. I imagine if I was here during the daylight, we'd be bathed in natural light, which is super nice because DC townhouses tend to get a little dark. I love the pop-open drawers and doors are nice. It's very functional. I mean, the only thing I look for in a kitchen is traditionally like this little triangle of space where I have to work. So you've got the stove and the refrigerator and the oven sort of all easily accessible. That's the only thing I care about. I just want everything to be there when I need it. And this kitchen works great.
Seeing your space that you spent months designing actually come to life, that's pretty incredible. Seeing your clients actually enjoy dinner with their friends and family, that goes a few steps beyond. And the night was wonderful. The dinner, custom Wagyu steak, beautiful appetizers paired with wines for every course. The dinner couldn't have been more wonderful. Kept warm by a roaring fire in this beautiful modern fireplace. I could tell you, seeing how the space laid out, it worked. Everything that we had spent months working with the homeowner, sitting at the kitchen table, trying to find ways to incorporate all of these elements, it came true. Sometimes your dream home stays a dream. In this case, we actually got to enjoy it together.